Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mushroom English Podcast, where learning English is slow, simple, and real.
I'm Leo.
I'm Mia.
It's a good moment to slow down and practice English together.
Yes, thank you for being here with us today. Leo, when a new year is close, people often feel many things at the same time.
Yes, hope, pressure, excitement, and sometimes fear.
We look back at the past, and we look ahead to the future.
And many people quietly ask themselves, how can next year be better?
That question doesn't need a perfect answer.
But it's a good question to sit with.
So today, we're talking about how to make 2026 a better year.
When people say, I want a better year, what do they usually mean?
That's a good question. A better year doesn't mean a perfect year.
Yes, it doesn't mean no problems.
For some people, a better year means more peace,
For others, it means better health or stronger relationships.
or simply feeling more like themselves.
So before we change anything, we need to understand what better means to us.
Leo, what does a better year mean to you?
For me, a better year feels calmer,
Calmer how?
less rushing, less pressure, more time to breathe.
That sounds very human.
Yes, sometimes better just means gentler.
When people think about a new year, they often think very big.
Big goals, big plans.
Exercise every day, wake up early, change everything.
And then they feel tired before the year even starts.
So maybe the question is not, how can I change my whole life?
But what is one small thing I can do differently?
Small changes are easier to keep.
And they create less pressure.
For example, instead of saying, I will be healthy,
You can say, I will walk a little more.
or I will drink more water.
Small steps still move you forward.
A better year is not only about doing more.
Sometimes it's about doing less.
Many people feel tired all the time.
Tired in the body and tired in the mind.
So making 2026 better might mean protecting your energy,
Saying no sometimes.
resting without guilt.
Choosing what really matters.
When your energy is better, your year feels better.
Even if nothing big changes.
Leo, what helps you protect your energy?
Quiet time. Time without noise.
That sounds simple, but powerful.
Yes, simple things often matter the most.
People often talk about goals.
Goals are nice, but they can feel far away.
Habits are different.
Habits are what we do every day.
A better year is built from small daily habits,
Like sleeping better
or speaking kindly to yourself.
or taking short breaks.
Habits don't need motivation,
They need consistency,
and consistency grows slowly.
just like confidence.
When we talk about the future in English, we don't need complex sentences.
Simple phrases are enough.
For example, in 2026, I want to
I want to
take better care of myself.
These sentences are simple but very meaningful.
You don't need to explain everything.
One honest sentence is enough.
One more thing is very important.
Being kind to yourself.
A better year doesn't mean you never fail.
It means you don't punish yourself when things go wrong. You rest, you learn, and you continue.
Kindness makes change possible.
Without kindness, even good plans feel heavy.
As we talk about 2026, we want you to remember something.
Your year does not need to look like anyone else's.
Your pace is your own.
Your version of better is valid.
You don't need to rush.
You're allowed to grow slowly.
Now it's your turn.
Take a quiet moment.
Think about 2026.
How do you want it to feel?
You can answer with one simple sentence.
For example, in 2026, I want more peace. Or, I want to take better care of myself.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We're glad you practiced English today.
We'll walk into 2026 together.
See you next time.
Bye for now.